Morning students, I hope you all are doing good. Sorry for being little late today. So let's start with the exercise 7.1 of chapter 7, which is your percentage and its application. Let's begin from the question number 11. Earlier we have done the question number 10. I'm going to give you the solution of those questions also, which I have given you in homework. So let's start with the question number 11, which is increase the number 60 by 30%. Okay, all we need to find the new number. In this kind of questions, we are already having a number. Suppose in an exam a student score 32 marks out of 50. मैंने कहा आई एम गोइंग टू गिव दैट चाइल्ड 10% ग्रेस मार्क्स. 32 पे 10% और एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स में दे रही हूँ, तो उसको टोटल नंबर ऑफ मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 50 अब कितने मिले. अर्लियर ही वॉज गेटिंग 32, अब मैंने 10% एज अ ग्रेस मार्क्स उसके बढ़ा दिए. अब उसके टोटल परसेंटेज, अब टोटल नंबर मार्क्स उसके कितने हुए. इन ऑर्डर टू फाइंड दैट व्हाट वी सपोज टू डू, हम 32 को 10% इंक्रीज करेंगे. 50 का 10% कितना हुआ, 5 मार्क्स, और 32 तो ऑलरेडी मेरे पास था, तो मैंने 32 प्लस 5, अब उस बच्चे के नए मार्क्स क्या हो गए, 37. इन द सेम वे मैंने उस बच्चे से को कहा कि उसकी राइटिंग बहुत गंदी थी, ही वॉज गेटिंग 32 मार्क्स. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू कट 5-10% मार्क्स ड्यू टू हिज राइटिंग. So what am I supposed to do? Out of the 32, I am going to subtract 5 marks. So the new number means like 27 will be his new marks. For this kind of situation, we use this identity. Increase by percentage, increase or decrease by percentage. जितना भी increase करें like 30%, so increase by 30%. Decrease by 10% means new quantity will be according to this 10%. न्यू क्वांटिटी कैसे डिटरमाइन करेंगे. न्यू क्वांटिटी 1 प्लस एक्स. एक्स इज द इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज इन द परसेंटेज, मीन्स हियर द एक्स विल बी 30 एंड हियर द एक्स विल बी 10% into original marks. What is the original marks? The original marks was 60. The original marks was 750 here. And in case of the child, the original marks was, coming over the question, here it is given increase number 60 by 30%. 30 x is equals to, let x is equals to 30. Okay, 30%. Original quantity is or original number is 60. So according to the identity, new number is equals to 1 plus 30. It is percentage. ये 100 कहाँ से आ रहा है? Do you all know? I earlier told you percentage sign is equals to 1 upon 100. So percentage is equals to 1 upon 100. So I wrote 100. Okay, and original number is 60. It is 130 upon 100 into 60. Try to cut the zeros. Now 13 into 68 is equals to 78. So 78 is the answer. In the same way, you all can do this question also. 1 minus x upon 100 means 100 minus 10 is equals to 90 upon 100 into 750. You will find the answer. It is 90 upon 100 into 750. I am going to give you this question as homework. Now look at this question. What number when increased by 15% become 299? It is exactly similar to the previous question. Here the original quantity was given, and here new quantity is already given. All we need to find the original quantity here, and here we were finding the new quantity. So we are going to use the same identity. यहाँ पे ओरिजिनल क्वांटिटी हम लोग खोज रहे थे, यहाँ पे हम लोग न्यू क्वांटिटी ऑलरेडी दी हुई है, यहाँ पे हम लोग ओरिजिनल फाइंड आउट करेंगे, और यहाँ पे ओरिजिनल दी हुई थी, हमें न्यू क्वांटिटी पता करनी थी. सो वी विल स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट वन. We will start with the second question. Okay, sorry. On decreasing a number by 18%, so decrease by 18%. So let x is equals to 18%. Okay, and new quantity is equals to new quantity $697. Using the identity means using this method, by using identity new number is equals to, we will use, here the number is decreasing, so I am going to use this one, 1 minus x upon 100 into original number. The new number is already given, which is 697, and we will write 1 minus 18 upon 100 into original number is not known, so I will write it simply original number in this way. Now try to find out. It is 100 minus 18 upon 100 into original value is equals to 697. 697 is equals to 100 minus 18 is equals to 82 upon 100 into original value, which is original number, or you can say original quantity, whatever it is. Now try to solve this. 697 into 100 upon 82 is equals to original value 41 to 82, and it is 50 to 100. Now try to solve this. Try to solve, divide 697 with 41. It is 41 ones are 41, 41 sevens are 41 ones are 17, 41 sevens are 287. Now original value is equals to equals to 17 into 50 is equals to 850. Here is the answer. Now students, see this word problem. Mr. Khanna spent 83% of his salary and saved rupees 1870. Calculate his monthly salary. Means a person was having certain sum as his monthly salary, out of which he spent 83%. Okay, now the amount he is left with is 1870. So you can see here 83% he already spent. What he is left with? One thing you must keep in your mind, the percentage is always 100. हम percentage हमेशा 100 consider करते हैं. Out of 100 he spent 83%. What he is left with? 100 minus 83 is 17%, and 17% is equal to 1870, because the left amount and the left is equal to the left percentage. So start solving this question. The percentage of the salary spent by Mr. Khanna is 83%. His saving is equals to 100 minus 83%. 100% minus 83% is equals to 17%. Now 17% of the salary in rupees. जो लेफ्ट सैलरी थी वो कितनी है? 1870. लेफ्ट परसेंटेज इज 17. लेफ्ट सैलरी इज 1870. Now we need to find the total salary. All we know that the 17% of the salary is 1870. So we will find the 100% of the salary. So I can write it like this also. 17% is equals to 1870. 17% किसका? टोटल सैलरी का. Okay. The sign of percentage is equals to 1 upon 100. I told you in the last class. Into x is equals to 1870. Simple. Now x is equal, taking this number this side, it will be reciprocate. 1870 upon 17 into 100. 17 ones are 17, 17 ones are 17. It is here, it is 0. Now the total salary which is x is equals to 110 into 00. This is your answer. Trying to solve another word problem. In a school, 38% of the students are girls. If the number of the boys is 1023, find the total strength of the school. Number of the girls in school is 38%. Number of boys is equals to 100 minus 38. I told you total percentage is 100. 100 में से 38 लड़कियां होगी तो बाकी कितने लड़के हुए? 62. दो ही क्वांटिटी. सपोज आई एम हैविंग अ बास्केट फुल ऑफ एप्पल्स, out of which for 52% are apples. Then what is the amount of mangoes in that basket? That is 48%. Suppose I am having pens. Suppose I am having pens and pencil in a box. In a box, if pens are 72%, what is the percentage of pencils? It is always 100 minus 72 is equals to 28%. If I am having two things in any of the two quantity, one quantity is simply given, you can find the other quantity by subtracting with the 100 in case of percentage. Okay, keep this idea in your mind. Now I am having this kind of situation. 62% are boys, means 62% of the total strength जो are boys. So number of the boys is 1023. 62%, the sign of percentage will be replaced by 1 upon 100 or simply with the 100 upon 100 into total strength is given x is equals to 1023. Now x is equals to, we will take this side and it will be reciprocated, 100 upon 62. Try to solve this on your own and you will get total strength is equals to 33 into 50, 1650. Okay. Now child, look at this question. The price of an article is increased from 960 to 1080. Find the percentage increase in the price. This kind of question we have solved in class 7th. Earlier the price was 960, now it is 1080, or we need to find the percentage increase in the price. Percentage increase. In order to find the increment in the price, we will subtract these two. तभी तो पता चलेगा कितना ज़्यादा प्राइस इंक्रीज हुआ है. इंक्रीजिंग प्राइस कितना हुआ है? लेट्स चेक. इट इज़ 120 rupees increment. Now percentage increase in prices is equals to percentage increase or decrease upon original value into 100 is the formula of percentage. So I will write increase, here is the increment, upon original value. Original value is always the last value, the first value जो पहले थी सबसे, वो हमारी original value है, is 960 into 100. And while solving this we will get 12/8 are 96, 1 upon 8 into 100. Okay, along with the 100 a percentage sign will also come because we are finding the percentage increase, and 100 divided by 100 by 8, it will be 12.5%. so percentage increase in 12.5%. Out of 8,000 candidates, 60% were boys. If 80% of the boys and 90% of the girls passed in exam, find the number of the candidates who failed. Okay, here it is given the total number of candidates is 8,000. Number of boys is 60% in percentage and in value. और हमें पता करना कितने असल में बच्चे थे of total value. 60% of the total values are total percent are the number of the boys. So 60%, we can write it like 60%. Percent sign is equals to 1 upon 100 of into and 8,000. We will try to solve. 6 8s are 48. 4800 is the number of the boys. In the same way the number of girls. Now we need to know the number of girls. Total number of candidate 8,000, number of boys 4800. So the number of girls will be total candidate minus number of boys. Total candidate is 8,000 minus 4800. So the number of girls is 3200. Simple. This is the number of the boys and this is the number of the girls. Another one thing is given. If 80% of the boys and 90% of the girls passed, so number of boys passed is 80% of the boys. 80% of the boys. So 80 percentage sign upon 100 of multiplier sign the boys. Boys कितने हैं? 4800. I get to know that it is 80 into 48 is equals to 40. Now again it was given number of girls passed is equals to 90% of the number of girls. 90% of the girls were passed, so 90 percentage sign upon 100 of sign multiply into number of girls was 3200. Now multiplying 9 with 32 we will get 2880. At the end we need to find the number of the candidates who failed. Okay, number of the candidates who failed will be equal to the total candidate minus total passing boys. अब हम क्या करें, हमें फेल बच्चे निकालने, तो हम क्या करेंगे, टोटल बच्चों में से पास बच्चों को माइनस कर देंगे, इजी. So here we were having boys and girls separately. We will add the past boys and girls together and subtract with the total number. We come across with the total failed candidates.